So here's how to delete contact from WhatsApp permanently. First up, we will start off with the WhatsApp application. And as you can see, we're currently in the WhatsApp homepage. Once you're here, you will get to see all your contacts or chats on this page. So let's select the chat that we want to delete. After that, tap on their name on the top. Now, tap on the edit option on the top right corner. After that, you will get to see an option that says delete contact on the bottom. Here, tap on delete in order to confirm. This way, the contact will be deleted from your WhatsApp. It will no longer be available on your WhatsApp unless you add it back again manually. This way, you can delete any contact that you want, and if you want to be safe, you can delete the number or contact from your phone contacts as well. And that is exactly how to delete contact from WhatsApp permanently.